God damn.
Go use the bathroom, bro. Hurry
Where's the
up.
bathroom at, man?
Hurry up, use the bathroom.
The bathroom ain't even in here.
Yeah, it's right there in the
Right there,
corner.
the bathroom's right there.
Out the door.
You gotta use the bathroom.
I don't care. Out the door.
He'll be out when he's done.
Out the door.
You didn't say shit, so you can't get on
Go
mine.
get the lock. What? Turn that off. I will take your video.
You can't take it.
Take your video, bro. She's about to take your phone, bro.
Call the cops. You can record in a public place.
I'm gonna buy this and then I'll leave.
Turn that off.
You can record in a public place.
Turn it off.
You can record in a public place.
This is not a public place.
Yes, it is public
for you.
place.
Turn it off. We have a law within the policy. Turn it off.
Alright, it's good. We're just gonna buy this and we'll leave.
Please turn it off.
I can't record?
No, you cannot.
You're not doing anything wrong, so why are you mad?
I can take that away from you.
You can't take my property.
Alright, let's go to the front register. We're going to the front register. I'm gonna pay for
Hey,
this.
Walmart, hey, these employees be mad if you be recording this shit. They're like, I don't want to see. I work at.
What's up with these people, bro? What's up with
That
them?
bitch look mad as fuck, bro.
What did we even do? We didn't say shit to you.
Some crazy ass bitch yelling and shit. Hey, some crazy ass bitch yelling out this shit, dude.
Thankful you, bro.
Oh, it's $99.
You should have been thankful you called her that, bro.
Got me fucked up.
Hey, they get hella mad when you be recording them and shit, huh?
Oh no.
No way.
Oh, shit.
Ow, no way, no
No,
way.
it's not, dumbass.
This is right there, bro.
Fuck Walmart. Fuck Walmart.
Oh, shit.
I'll be quiet, man.
Dude, you should have been back there. They were hella yelling at us. Are you her mom? You're her mom? Your guardian?
Guardian. This is your mom.
She's a very bad girl.
Yeah.
Yep. She makes fun of everybody at school for no reason. I have no idea.
Just playing around.
Yeah, I'm just playing around.
You're so annoying. Get out of here. Thanks, Rod. Hey, you better stop that.
Huh?
He ain't even recording. He just has it like that.
You better stop that.
What am I doing?
Out the door. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Out. Out.
You buying something?
He's not buying anything. Out.
I'm with
You're
them.
not buying anything from me. Out.
What you mean? I'm gonna buy this and leave.
Out.
Walmart. The fuck? Just be cool.
I need you out the door.
Can I just buy this and leave?
No.
Hey,
Out
stop
the door.
doing that.
Go.
Can I just buy this and leave?
Go.
Buy this and leave?
Just walk out with it, dude. Let's go.
I didn't even do nothing. How you gonna crack on me? I just fucking up.
Can you just go please?
Stupid thoughts.
Get out.
Got me fucked up, bruh. I swear to God. Y'all think
Bye,
you
Casper.
work at a fucking store, bruh. Fucking God.
You too? We got you guys on camera.
Got me fucked up, dude.
Don't shop there. They're bad.